So let's learn comparison now. How to compare, how to write ascending descending order of fractions. Okay, so इसके लिए we need to compare, and for comparing there are two scenarios. If I have like fractions, it is very easy to compare. But if I have unlike fraction, I will have to make unlike fraction into like fraction first. Then only I can compare. So like fraction only can be compared. Like fractions only can be put in ascending descending order. Like fractions only can be made to add, subtract. Okay, so addition, subtraction, comparison सब करने के लिए हमें like fraction होना compulsory है. So if I give you like fraction, directly you can do addition, subtraction, comparison. But if you don't have it, you will have to make like fraction. So first let's learn what we do when we have a like fraction. If I say I have two fractions, say 15 upon 17 and 12 upon 17, and I tell you which one is greater, which one is smaller. Since the fractions are like fraction, denominator same मतलब like fraction, so I only need to check the numerator. जिसका numerator बड़ा होता है वो fraction बड़ा होता है. So 15 12 से बड़ा है, so 15 by 17 बड़ा होगा. Okay, as easy as that. सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर चेक करना है. जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो नंबर बड़ा. Okay, if I give you three fractions, 15 by 17, 13 by 17 and 12 by 17. अब मैं बोलूँ असेंडिंग ऑर्डर बनाओ, तो क्या करोगे? ये सबसे छोटा बड़ा है तो ये हम सबसे लास्ट में लिखेंगे, isn't it? So असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में छोटा वाला सबसे पहले, फिर उससे बड़ा वाला, and then the highest one. So 12 वाला सबसे छोटा, 13 वाला उससे बड़ा, 15 सबसे बड़ा. This is ascending order. Okay, descending order में 15 by 17 सबसे बड़ा, 13 by 17 middle one and 12 by 17 सबसे छोटा. This is my descending order. So how do we compare? Compare by the numerators only. Denominator same होने चाहिए. Okay. Now this was about like fraction. If I have a unlike fraction, तो कैसे compare करेंगे? क्या करेंगे तब? So let's see. Let's take an example. Example is 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. Okay, 5 by 6, 3 by 4 is my example I have taken. Now I want to compare and I want to get the answer for this कि कौन सा बड़ा है. As I said, like fraction होना चाहिए, but this is not like fraction. This is unlike fraction. Denominators अलग है, इसलिए unlike fraction है. How do I make it like fraction? I have to first find out LCM. क्या करना है? LCM. Now for finding out LCM, I can find it out in two methods. Okay, for you I have one method that is finding out by multiples. Multiples, LCM यानी multiples, isn't it? So multiples से कैसे करेंगे? How to find out by multiples? Let's see. I have to find the multiples of 6 and 4. 4 and 6 के multiples I have to find. Multiples मतलब उसका टेबल. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Okay, these are the multiples of 6. That is table of 6. What is the table of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Okay. Now I have to check which number is common. दोनों common है. Then do I have any other number? If I write 36 here, 36 will get common. So इसमें सबसे छोटा वाला कौन सा है? It is 12. So 12 is the LCM. Okay. This is LCM. Finding of LCM by writing the multiples. So write the multiples and find out which number is the smallest common factor, common multiple. So least common multiple. सबसे छोटा common multiple is 12. So 12 is my common multiple. See 24 is also a common multiple here. Okay, 12, 24, 36 ये तीनों common है. पर सबसे छोटा 12 है, so 12 will be my LCM. Now taking this number LCM, I will make 12 the denominator of these both fractions. So LCM ये ऐसा number है जो दोनों denominator के table में आता है. Okay, that is why we find out the LCM of only denominators. Now what is my original fraction? 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. I have to make their denominator 12. मुझे इनका denominator 12 बनाना है. Okay, I have to make the denominator 12 here. So how do I make that? I have to multiply by some number. छोटा है, बड़ा बनाने के लिए कोई नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 12 बनेगा. 6 2 ज़ा 12, तो ऊपर भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कंपल्सरी. 5 2 ज़ा 10. Here 4 कितना ज़ा 12, 4 3 ज़ा, so ऊपर भी 3 ज़ा, 3 3 ज़ा 9. So now my fractions are like fraction. 10 upon 12, 9 upon 12. लाइक फ्रैक्शन है, न्यूमरेटर चेक करो, ये वाला बड़ा है. पर 10 by 12 was originally 5 by 6 और 9 by 12 था 3 by 4. So this number is greater. I say this fraction is greater. So this is my answer. This is how I compare when there are unlike fraction. जब भी unlike fraction है LCM निकालना पड़ेगा. किसका? डिनोमिनेटर का. डिनोमिनेटर का LCM बाय राइटिंग मल्टीपल्स यानी टेबल. उसका टेबल लिखो दोनों नंबर्स का. फाइंड आउट विच इज द फर्स्ट पेयर विच इज कॉमन इन बोथ. दोनों में 12 है इसलिए 12 इज माय LCM. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर आई हैव टू मेक 12 नाउ. आई मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय सम नंबर एंड आई विल गेट 12. सिंस इट इज़ LCM, ये दोनों के ही टेबल में आएगा ऐसा नंबर है. सो 6 2 ज़ा 12, 4 3 ज़ा 12. ऊपर भी उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो जो नीचे किया है. इन दिस वे 5 by 6 becomes 10 by 12, 3 by 4 becomes 9 by 12. Now since the numerators are different, I say 10 by 12 is greater. 10 by 12 means 5 by 6. 9 by 12 means 3 by 4. So 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 4. Okay. This is how you find the greater one. Okay. This is how you do comparison in fractions. Always remember, like fraction, directly compare. Unlike fraction, make like fraction and then compare. Okay.